Hello, welcome to Mandi Brown with Realty Executives Virtual Tour. If you would like more information or would like to make an appointment to view this property, please feel free to contact Mandi at 928-920-0513. Thank you. Location, this is it. Backed up to the wash west, amazing MNT views and plenty of elbow room west / over 15,000 SQ lot. This 3-bedroom 2.5 bath home, 1920 SQ is immaculate and move-in ready. LG amazing kitchen for the cook. Split floor plan west / LG master bedroom and bath west / a bonus den attached. Oro and southwest systems, oversized 2-car garage west / air conditioner and swamp cooler, fully finished inside west / 1/2 bath and cabinets. RV port west /